Hi guys, so a couple of weeks ago I introduced you to this elegant little device, the Lumea by Philips, and I actually added my stories onto my highlights. You know, if you want to go back and if you have any questions, also feel free to ask. For those who missed my stories last time, basically this is a little device that you can use at home for laser hair removal, and it's so convenient. I'm going to show you how easy it is to use. Okay, so this is the light intensity setting. So you need to pick the right light intensity depending on your skin tone. So if you're super light or tan or dark, there's a chart and that can help you choose. Or if you're not sure, I'm going to show you how easy it is. This is the smart skin sensor. It's going to basically detect your skin tone. Okay, so the right number is gonna blink now. So I'm just gonna use it on me and we'll see where I'm at. Okay, so number 4 is blinking. Okay, so I'm at number 4. I'm gonna click yes. So I'm gonna show you how easy it is. Now I have the body attachment on. This is for, you know, the larger areas like tummy, arms, legs, and then, as I mentioned, my other stories, there's a face one, a bikini one, and underarms. Okay, so let's do this. Super simple, easy, do it at home. And obviously, I'm not gonna go over my tattoos, but yeah, that's pretty much